In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a retrospective in Confluence. A retrospective is a crucial part of any team's workflow, allowing for reflection on what's working well and what could be improved. Let's go through the steps to set up a successful retrospective using Confluence, a popular collaboration tool for teams. To begin, go to your workspace in Confluence. Once you're there, you'll notice the Create button at the top. Click on it and select Page from the drop-down menu. This is your starting point for creating a new page dedicated to your retrospective meeting. After you click to create a page, you will be taken to a new page view where you'll find a section at the bottom labeled All Templates. Click on this section and a list of available templates will appear on the right side of your screen. These templates are designed to help streamline your process by providing pre-formatted pages that you can customize as needed. Next, use the search bar in the template panel to type Retrospective. You will then see a selection titled Retrospective. Click on it, and this will open a pre-structured blueprint tailored specifically for running retrospectives. It's an excellent starting point to facilitate discussions and gather insights from your team. Now it's time to give your page a title. Choose something relevant and descriptive, perhaps the date or the particular sprint you're discussing. This title will serve as an anchor, making your retrospective easy to find later. Once you've set your title, the blueprint provides a default format for your retrospective. However, don't feel restricted by the default setup. You can easily adapt the format to fit other popular retrospective frameworks such as Start, Stop, Continue. This flexibility allows your team to focus on starting new initiatives, stopping ineffective methods, and continuing successful strategies. After you're satisfied with the template setup, share the page with your team. It's crucial for everyone to have access, as retrospectives thrive on collective input. Encourage your team members to contribute their thoughts and ideas directly onto the page. This collective input will ensure that every opinion is heard, and it will foster a more inclusive and productive retrospective session. By following these steps, you'll be able to set up an effective retrospective in Confluence that encourages collaboration and continuous improvement within your team. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial makes your next retrospective session more efficient and insightful.